My name's Hayden Rubensohn, and I'm living and working in Calgary, Alberta. I also work in a smaller city called Red Deer, Alberta. And my credentials, I am an FRCPC certified internal medicine specialist and palliative medicine subspecialist. So I'm certified, as I say, in internal medicine and have a good understanding of people's complex diseases as well as palliative care. So taking care of end-of-life issues to alleviate suffering and increase quality of life. In my mind, an advance request for MAID is when somebody is requesting to receive MAID as their choice manner of having end of life, but before they would meet the current eligibility criteria, mostly because they may not have a grievous and irremediable medical condition yet. And I do see there being two types of advance requests. One is when somebody has an early form of a disease that's likely to become grievous and irremediable, and serious and non-reversible. And a second form of advance request would be when somebody indicates they wish to receive MAID before having any diagnosis whatsoever. We know that 82% of people across Canada support an advance request for MAID for individuals diagnosed with a grievous and irremediable condition. And we also know that 72% of people across Canada support advance requests without such a diagnosis being made. I meet a lot of people in my day-to-day life who are healthy and who talk to me about how can they ensure that they're not going to suffer or experience an undignified end of life because they experience a sudden change in their cognitive capacities or in their health status and may not be able to request MAID. So I think that a legal change that allows advance requests would really mean a huge amount of relief and assurance for people who are currently healthy, experience a high quality of life, but are very interested in saying, what's more important to me is quality rather than quantity. And should my health status change, I am absolutely interested in having MAID provided and a peaceful, dignified end of life. It's really time for the federal government to act. They have committees, they have really, as I say, smart, intelligent people with lots of experience who have overcome challenging issues before. And even if this is complex, there has to be a way forward. This is what Canadians want to have access to. We know that Canadians are interested in seeing advance requests become legal. Many people are already approaching their lawyers and finding out how they can include advance requests in their estate planning and advance care documents. One thing that people can do that would be very helpful is to send a letter to their member of parliament through Dying with Dignity Canada's website to express their support for advance requests for MAID.